In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a file upload field in Paperform. If you want people to attach documents, images, or other files to your form, adding a file upload field is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through getting into your account, opening your form in the editor, and then show you two simple ways to insert the file upload question so you can choose the method you prefer. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Paperform. In the results, click the official Paperform website. If you're ever unsure, check that the domain looks correct before you continue. Once you're on the site, click Log In and sign into your account to access your dashboard. From your dashboard, open the form you want to edit so it loads in Paperform's editor. You'll see the form content laid out in a clean, document-like interface. This is where you can add questions and arrange them exactly where you want. Let's add the file upload using the fastest method first. Click on a blank line in the form editor where you want the field to appear. Type a /, then type upload or file, so that's upload or file. Paperform will show a drop-down menu of quick actions. From that menu, select File Upload. The field will be inserted right in place. This / command is perfect when you want to keep your hands on the keyboard and move quickly. If you prefer using the toolbar, there's an alternative method that works just as well. Click on the line where you want the field to appear to place your cursor. On the left side of the editor, click the Add Question icon. It's typically a plus symbol or sometimes a question mark, depending on your view. A new question block will appear. On the right side of that question box, open the Question Type drop-down. From the list of available question types, choose File Upload. You'll see the field update to the correct type immediately. With the field in place, you're set to accept files from respondents. As a best practice, consider where this question sits in your form so it feels natural. Often after instructions or just before submission works well. You can adjust the prompt text or labeling to make it clear what kinds of files you expect. Many creators also note size or format preferences in the description so respondents know what will work before uploading. That's it. You've added a file upload field in Paperform using either the / command or the Add Question menu. Place it where it makes the most sense, give it a clear label, and you're ready to collect files seamlessly.